Hey guys, welcome to my new cooking show, where I cook things and you watch me cook them. Alright, so today I'm going to be making some delicious cake and some pie. But first, let's preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Okay, let's get our ingredients for the cake. We'll need 2 sugar, 3 wheat, 3 milk, and 1 egg. This should be enough for 1 cake, for you and your friends to enjoy. Next, let's mix up the ingredients. Okay, now that everything else is done, let's put it in the oven. And set a timer. Alright, while that's going, let's get to work on the pie. First, we'll need 1 pumpkin, 1 sugar, and 1 egg. Oh, hold up, looks like we're out of sugar. Let's hear a word from our sponsor while I buy some more sugar.
Hi, are you tired of always drinking the same juice over and over again? Well, no worries, you're in luck. Here at Silver Oak High, we make the best juice in the whole entire world. Just $189 per carton. Make sure you join today. Also, subscribe to Moshi VA // Minecraft roleplays. I don't think that's how Terms and conditions apply, and no refunds. Thank you. Ahem, hit the music. All I want for Christmas is juice. Oh, juice, baby.
Welcome back to Cooking with Neptune, the show where I cook and you watch me cook. Alright, where we left off, we were working on the pie, so let's get to mixing. Okay, next, let's put this in the fridge and let it cool off. Do you guys smell that? Oh no. Fire! Ah! Fire! Fire! Okay, that's all for now, folks. Wait for next time when we finish making the pie. See y'all later.